Hey guys, welcome back. I apologize for the wind. It's a little bit windy day. We've kind of like a windstorm going over us right now. It's nice out though. We have all of these leaves to clean up and stuff before we actually start having fun on the bikes and
Alright, so this is a sweeper attachment for the yard. So basically it tows a big brush. And yeah, so we're gonna go to the front yard now. But I might as well mow and sweep at the same time because it doesn't hurt. And Mason behind the camera, as you know.
Hello there. I'm the owner of this channel, by the way.
The owner. And yeah, he is going to be doing the leaf farm.
Yep,
But anyways,
that
we got
guy.
this trailer here. We wrap this line around. This is like the dumping line. We dump all the garbage out. And I wrap it around the filler for the fuel tank. And then I hold the slack because it will pick up slack as you go. I don't want to trap under any wheels. So what I do is I just wrap it around a few times while it's like that. You don't need it right now. There you go. Now, we'll hop on the tractor, pull it out front. Alright, now I put it back on time lapse.
Okay. All right.
Sure you don't want to ride?
All right, now we're gonna dump the
I'm spinning.
sweeper. Huh?
I'm just spinning.
You're not spinning. Oh yeah, yeah. Your differential, your tire spinning. Yeah. There you go.
Now keep it coming back.
Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Now, keep that up until we get out so that we don't stack it.
Yeah.
Stay close to get back up.
Yeah.
Now,
Boom. He's
go
already.
to the front yard. Can you do the same way you just did this?
So over there on the side of the driveway.
Yeah, so we'll do that.
Okay. Perfect.
And try to get all the leaves out, and I'll sweep and mow.
Perfecto. All right. So it's this. Okay. Welcome back.
That's you film around like when you're mowing and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so hi Bennett, how you doing?
Hi.
This is Robert. Got a little dirt bike here. We got
I'm currently driving it.
Yeah.
And then look at it, we're so high up. It has monstrous wheels. Very monstrous wheels.
yes. Away. Yeah.
Don't mind you.
Oh, stop. Yeah. We're doing wheelies.
Basically, it's like we're riding a pole. Like, and
Yeah, bull
they're
riding.
Like they're daunting, like, woo!
Yeah.
My first one makes as much noise as we can to take the faster for Daddy.
Alright,
All right.
nice job, Art. We're gonna unload these.
Yeah. Okay.
You're good to rip now.
Huh?
You're good to rip.
Okay. Alright, so that was kind of like a first little kind of like lap there. Now we're gonna really, now that it's all warmed up, we're gonna really start to rip now. Yeah. What?
Cord.
Cord?
Oh, where'd my camera go?
Oh shoot, we missed it. Ha! I missed it! Okay. Okay. Huh? You got something in here. I mean, you got something down there. Yeah. You got something down there.
That's alright.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Huh? Okay. we go. All right. I just had to adjust. I just had to adjust the camera.
Alright?
I just had to adjust the camera. Yeah.
Here's your best to go with this limit 9.
Huh?
Here's your best to go with this.
I know that bike is powerful. This thing also has a lot of power, but it's like slow power. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Then the second. It's not gonna have any power in third.
Okay.
So go down, do a little blip. Go down. A blip. Go down. A blip. Alright, 2 up. 1, wait a minute. Alright, now you're in second.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Let it rev out too.
Okay.
That's revving there. It's good. Let it rev.
Okay.
I love the sense of the grip and stuff. The full throttle to where you're comfortable too.
Okay.
It's really good brake. So yeah, if you want to come up to me, I'll follow you.
Okay.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. That was my first real power shift.
Not fun.
Second, third, that was the first real power shift I've done.
Alright, let's try one down the road now. We'll keep up.
Okay. You sure? Yeah. Here we go. Come fast. Keep up. Oh yeah! Wow. I wish I was.
Were you all the way down?
Huh?
Were you all the way down when I passed you?
Yeah.
And then there's 2 people in here.
Yeah. Oh my God. I need to get better at speed. I do. I really do. These brakes, they're quick.
They're really good.
Like,
Were you ripping it?
oh, I was ripping it.
Was it fun?
It was like, and I was leaning like with it. Like
Time
it's
to
easy.
learn clutch soon.
Huh?
Time to learn clutch in a minute.
Huh?
You're gonna learn clutch in a minute.
I'm not learning that. That's too powerful.
Gentle. If you're gentle.
Yeah. Nice and gentle.
Nice and slow.
Yeah, nice and
Nice and slow.
Yeah.
A little bit quick, isn't it?
A little bit.
Too gentle on it, though. It's pretty easy to control.
Yeah.
Alright, wanna go down the shadow road one more time and then we'll go park for a little bit?
Sure.
Randy, dude, what if I have my hand in my pocket?
Huh?
Can I get my phone?
I have mine.
Yeah, alright.
Well, that been it's in my just in case if like say if I'm like unresponsive.
Yeah.
Look, see, right here. In my there's a zipper.
My camera's dead, so I'm hot.
Huh?
I'm warm.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm wearing the jacket just for like protection
yeah.
and like a suit.
I'm gonna come line up next to you.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do this. Again.
I'm gonna be on my brakes like this the whole time, so.
I'm gonna try to go as fast as possible without killing myself. Gonna do some. Make sure that you're on the right side of the road, though. Alright, okay. When you use it, grab it. Alright, ready?
Whatever.
Come back. Okay, stay on the right side of the road.
Okay.
Ready?
2,
Alright,
1, go.
You recording?
Yep.
Yeah, wait, let's see, yeah, you're recording.
Red dot.
Alright.
Red flashing dot. Alright, now for the last clip here, we're gonna do a kind of like a endurance, see how long we can go.
Until the cart stops rolling.
Yeah.
It is so sketchy.
But but apply brakes if needed.
The steering, so I'm gonna just hold the steering with my feet. Look at how much play is in the steering.
Yeah.
Oh, Matt, look at this, guys. At 25 miles an hour down the hill. It is incredibly sketchy. All right, I'm gonna put on my bike mode to start. My obnoxious socks on, of course. All right, wait a minute. Hold my wheels.
My wheel falling out? No.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Whew. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
They must look so confused. Huh. Wow. That was stupid. Now the hill's up there. You can see the top of the trees, how they're like.
Nah, this still, I can't tell yet. Until you really get up there.
Yeah. Oh, finally back at like my elevation that I'm used to. All right, we're gonna do something a little bit more quiet. We can actually hear each other. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. We're on the mountain bikes now. Wow, okay. What if I forgot how to ride a bike?
After being on the dirt bike, yeah.
Yeah, now I have to relearn the mountain bike. Oh wow, that's weird. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, my tires are so skinny. Yeah. Yeah. Much more quiet. Oh, my legs are already tired. Wow.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Do it again.
Let's try.
Here, grab a little snack.
Yeah.
Alright. rail trails are fun because they're flat, but
Yeah.
the only issue is that there's not any muscle being used, you know, you just gotta push in your bike down.
Yeah.
Pretty easy.
I can't believe I. Yeah.
Like when I used to go like that.
Oh.
Just pop up the front a little bit so that
Yeah.
brakes and press a little bit more than I was meant to.
These trails are more set up for dirt biking though.
Yeah, cool.
They can be still used for mountain biking. Good for like technical stuff. I'll probably be at my house editing this. The big video.
Okay.
The big video I'll be editing for this weekend. The big old video.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
The big, all weekend. All the things that we did. There's where the tractor tires were.
And next weekend.
Huh? Yeah.